Welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to make for dinner is some chicken and rice and green beans. I'm going to do all that in my Tupperware Stack Cooker. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see. This is the Tupperware Stack Cooker. It comes in 4 parts, 3 quart, and then you've got your straining part, or your 2.5 quart, I'm sorry. Your straining part. That's what I'm going to put my chicken in because I want my chicken broth to go down below. And then the top part, that lid that can switch over to veggies. Alright, let's get this going. In the bottom part of the stack cooker, I'm going to put in a whole package of this yellow rice. Now it did call for, let me break the seasoning up a little. That's what it looks like. If you've never had this rice, I get it at the dollar store. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Dollar General carries it too. Alright, let's get that into there. And it did call for 2 tablespoons of butter, but I'm not going to put in too much butter because the broth from the chicken is also going to stay, season it. Flavor it, I should say. So here's 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright. Now, I've got 1 3/4 cup of water. And this is my, your quick shake that comes in your kit. You can make a lot of nice stuff with that. Alright, now I'm going to put in the one that has the stringing on it, and that's going to be for my chicken. I did weigh the chicken, and there's just shy of 3 pounds, so when you cook chicken in the microwave, it's 6 minutes per pound of whatever the chicken is. This is Mrs. Dash seasoning, my last of it, chicken seasoning, black pepper, and some seasoning salt. Okay, I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. So now it goes in your stack cooker. So, just like that. Alright, wash my hands. Okay, because it's 3 pounds, closer to 3 pounds, I'm going to cook those for 18 minutes. I'm going to start that off first because there's no sense in roasting my beans that only take a minute to warm up. So I'm going to do this, start this in this microwave on high for 18 minutes, and I'll be back in 18 minutes. Look at it. Let's check the temperature on the chicken. 160, and the longer it rests, the more it'll heat up. So we are going to set that aside and let that rest. I'm going to put that there. Let me grab a fork and show you my rice. All done. Doesn't that look good? Alright, so the rice is all fluffed up. Let the chicken rest. While that's resting, I'm going to get my beans going. Upside down pineapple cake, or just this little layer one. I might. Had that good seal on there. I drained my beans. Looks good. A little pepper. A little seasoned salt. And a tablespoon of butter. Right in the middle. Put that in the microwave for about 3 minutes. The beans are done. I'm going to take the chicken out. It's a healthy way of cooking the chicken. See how it's pulled away from the bones? we know that's done. Put this in here. Put some beans on there. On mine. Okay. A little bit of the rice, fluff it up. Now that is a beautiful meal. All done in my microwave stack cooker. There's plenty of rice left over. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I want to thank you for watching. And as always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a good night. Bye.